Hello people, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Emmanuel Eyaba. Recently Raw Impact Africa TV just got 2,000 subscribers. Well, I'm here today to share some very deep secrets with you on how I was able to get 2,000 subscribers in just less than 6 months. Yeah, it's getting subscribers on YouTube is actually not easy, but somehow we're able to get it. So a few secrets that I put in place that I'm about sharing with you. So go nowhere as I show you some of these tips. I will be right back. Alright, if you're just joining us, this is Raw Impact Africa TV, and today I'm about sharing with you guys some little secrets I put in place to get 2,000 subscribers in less than 6 months. Now, the first secret that I put in place was subscribing on other people's YouTube channels. So, wherever you are right now, if you actually want your YouTube channel to grow, go to the notification button and subscribe on Raw Impact Africa TV. When you subscribe on other people's channels, there's every tendency that people will also subscribe to your channel. So I took it upon myself to subscribe to more channels that were doing things close to what I am doing. That was the first secret I exhibited in trying to get 2,000 subscribers. Next secret you need to understand in YouTube is trying to be consistent. You know, before now I wasn't always consistent in uploading videos. I could put one video today and wait for the next 2 months or next 3 weeks to put videos, but these days I put videos almost on daily basis. Yeah, if you want to be a content creator for YouTube, my brother, you need to be putting content on YouTube on a daily basis. Some people put as much as 2-3 contents every day. You understand? Now the tendency is that the more you put content on YouTube channel, the more you're going to have people who want to come and see what you're doing, and they will definitely want to come and watch. So if you really want your subscription base to grow, try to be consistent in putting content on your channel. The next thing right now you should understand about how to grow your subscription is make your videos as clear as possible, and also your sound to be as clear as possible. You know, you actually need the best of cameras to do that. All you need now is with the new phone that we're having right now, that what I'm using to shoot my own video right now is an iPhone. You know, so you could do with a phone. Everyone must not have an iPhone anywhere, but whatever phone you have, just make sure that the environment is quiet, you have good light, or you shoot exterior, but just try and make sure your contents are clean and crisp. If you do that, there's every tendency that someone won't subscribe to your channel. Another thing, another secret you should understand on growing your channel is you should your titling is very important. You know, when you put title on your channel, try to title it very well. It's not just writing a title of the name of the project. Try to be descriptive in your title. You know, descriptive a title like if you're doing a drama, for instance, you could say, see how Madam treated his boy. You understand? So people want to come and see those things. They want to come and see explanation. It's not just writing one of something. I now started changing all my titles on my former videos to be very descriptive, and I realized that more people were now subscribing to my channel, and a lot of people were also watching my channel. That was how I was able to rise from about 100 subscribers to 2,000 subscribers in less than 6 months. Go back to your YouTube channel right now and re-edit all your titles, make them descriptive, and I'll tell you something, more people want to see your channel and also subscribe to your channel. Another thing that would also help you to grow your YouTube channel is your tagging. You know, try to tag people that are connected to your video, tag things that are connected to your video, especially trending issues. Whatever that's happening right now around you, pick up your phone, record it, and play it, and before you know it, more people want to come to your channel. Those are some of the things I really did. And another thing that also helped me to grow my channel was I now started doing Premiere. You know, if I want to upload a video tomorrow, I'll upload it today and plan a Premiere tomorrow. what it does is that 30 minutes before the video starts showing, YouTube has a way of announcing that there's going to be a premiere, so that it now gives notification to a lot of people who want to watch your channel. You understand? So when you upload a video, don't always upload immediately. Program it for a premiere and drop it, so that YouTube can help announce it to people out there, and a lot of persons want to watch your channel. And finally, what else another thing that also helped me was I now started sharing I now started making active use of all my social media handles and platforms, like WhatsApp groups, Facebook, Twitter, and all of them, and my status too. I started making adequate use of all of them. So whenever I upload a video and share the link, I copy the link and put on all those social media platforms, and I tell you, a lot of persons started watching my channel. And yeah, those are some of the secrets I try to do. And another thing that could also help you is talk about trending issues. Don't always be static. There's actually nothing like bad content for YouTube. Every content is content. If you could have a title as 1001 ways how to commit suicide, and it has a lot of subscribers, almost 1 million subscribers, then there's something that is not a good content. So go out there, pick that camera, pick that phone, make your content and put it on YouTube. And I tell you something, if you're consistent, do not give up. It's not easy. It's not really easy. I must tell you something. But whatever that you want to say, whatever that you want to express, go ahead and express that thing. I tell you, people will begin to see your channel, and very soon you'll be monetized and you begin to make good money. That's how far we can go on today's episode of Raw Impact Africa TV. It's been really wonderful having all of you watch my videos, subscribe to my channel, and like it. So please, I'm begging, if you've not subscribed to the channel, just go there. It's simple and it's free. Click on the notification button, subscribe to the channel, share, like, and comment. And I tell you something, the ministry will keep on moving. Thank you very much, and see you some other time. Bye bye.